At the inaugural of the Sohra Government College on the 30th of January 2024, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced a continued focus on education and infrastructure development for higher and technical education in the state. Sohra Government College, formerly Sohra College, was provincialized in 2009, receiving administrative approval for a sanction amount of Rs 12 crores on the 9th of October 2020 for infrastructural upgrades and multidisciplinary education access. Dignitaries at the event included Education Minister Rakkam Sangma, Health Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, Chief Advisor to the Government of Government Lahkmen Rymbui, Shella MLA Balajied Kupar Synrem, and Sohra MLA Gavin Mylliem. Speaking at the inaugural function, Conrad Sangma highlighted the establishment of centers for science, engineering and architecture. He added that the government aims to invest in human capital using funds from education cess for school and college construction, and mentioned initiatives like renovating government secondary schools and adopting NCERT textbooks for uniformity in mathematics and science. Plans to include introducing commerce and science streams in government colleges under the new Education Policy 2020, despite financial implications, while at the same time informing that the education budget stands at Rs 2,000 crores, the highest among departments.
One, two, three. Thank you. Great.
One of the most important investments any government can make. And that is what drives this government to ensure that we are able to take care and nurture the greatest resource that our state and our country has, which is the youth of our nation. And it's as simple as that. And though the choices are tough sometimes, I appreciate Lahkmen Rymbui, who was with me in the cabinet last 5 years. Education was maybe one of the toughest departments we had. A lot of reforms needed to be made. A lot of tough decisions needed to be made. Being a sector which was, I don't want to say it in a very negative way, but it was really not doing as good as maybe what we would want it to do. And hence, tough decisions were required to make real changes in a short period of time.
Education Minister Rakkam Sangma reiterated support for elevating infrastructure and learning outcomes in educational institutions across the state.
8 students of the Government College, be it Sohra, Williamnagar, Tura, Bakmara. Now we can say proudly, this is the Government College. And I belong to this Government College today. Sir, thank you so much. And to which event you want to play, you should be ready with your dress and the jersey.